it's Jennifer again with Puzzle Tumblers Presents. I'm back again with another What Does This Button Do? I'm using the Silhouette Studio Business Edition. I do not work for Silhouette, nor do I receive anything from them. I'm only doing these videos because I want everything to be easier for you guys. Today I'm going to talk to you about the nesting feature. Basically what nesting is taking everything that's on the page and squishing them all together so that you can save as much vinyl as possible. So what I've done here is I've taken just a random shapes that are on the page, and I typed my name in. Yes, I know, lowercase and uppercase, but it's not. The reason I'm showing you this is because the one thing I personally dislike about the nesting feature is what happens to the letters. If you're the type of person who likes to piece things together, then hey, this is great for you. But if not, I wouldn't suggest doing letters. I'm about to show you why. Okay, so first, I've shown you this little button here. But these are the buttons that you're learning how to use. Now, we've already used this one for the warping feature, and we'll talk a little bit more about the other things that it does. But we're coming over here to these, they kind of look like salad tongs to me. I don't know what you would call these, so we're going to call them salad tongs. We're going to click on this, and this is the nesting panel. This is what pops up. Now, I haven't really played around with it that much. I'm personally just learning a little bit about this myself, but I wanted to show you how to use it. So I would suggest maybe playing with it just a little bit. We might do that a little bit here just now, but here's what you have to do. You have to highlight everything, and I'm about to show you why I personally do not like to use the letters. And then we'll go backwards and we'll play around with this a little bit. You're going to highlight everything, and then you're going to nest it. It's going to take everything and put it in kind of a puzzle type way to use as little vinyl as you possibly can. But do you see what happened to my name? Now, why would I want to put that all back together when it was already together? And if I really wanted to save the vinyl, I would just move my name up into the corner of a piece of vinyl. However, there are people who enjoy putting little things together like this. So that's how you would do that. I'm going to back up and remove my name, and now I'm going to nest it again. Now it's going to take anything and everything that's on your page and nest them together for you, so you don't have to do it. Let's see what happens if we move this up a little bit. And we highlight everything, and we move this to, I don't know what padding is. I guess I probably need to look into that. Oh, it's going to give you between the star and the quote unquote flower, there's a little bit of padding in between so that you have a place to cut. So that's a 20-point padding. We're going to go in here and give it a 10-point padding. And highlight and nest it. So where it's closer together, not quite on top of each other. To me, I don't think that you would need more padding if you're trying to save space. Probably go in here and put 3 and nest them together. That sounds about right. Look, you've got enough room to be able to cut around it with your cutter, and they're not touching each other. They're just right. So we're going to put 3 down and in my little notepad as what I like it. Let's see what happens if we tell it to align. There you go. It's going to put them all in a straight line. Now this is how I would probably like it, because all of the other Mod Podge stuff is a little bit, I don't know, Mod Podge. And so we're going to go over here and see what happens when we tell it to give it 4 rotations. Because, we have to play and see. I don't know. Let's see what happens if we give it 6 rotations. Not 8. No, it goes from 4 to 8. So we're going to give it 8 rotations. There you go. So that's basically all nesting is. And I'm going to tell you, I really like it, especially if you want to really, if you just, an example is a second ago, I miscalculated and I used more vinyl than I really wanted to use, and I only had a little bit left, and I really, really wanted to use that vinyl for my project. I was able to use the nesting to put together all of these hearts in such a way that I could use this little scrap of vinyl I had left over. I wonder what it would do if we did this. There you go. It allows you to cut around the outside like a border. Guys, this is a really great feature, and if you do use it, please let me know what you think. Go over to our page, which is Puzzle Tumblers Presents, on our YouTube channel, and please make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. The more subscribers I get, the more videos I'm going to put out. The more videos I put out, the more you get to learn about this wonderful Silhouette Studio Edition. If you have any questions, please feel free to send them to me, or if you want to learn anything about your program, send those to me as well. You guys have a great day. Be safe out there and be kind to one another. Goodbye.